how to enable NSFW in Grok AI. So yeah guys, let's start the video. Let's find the way to enable the NSFW, and if it is possible, so I can tell you in this guide. So let's see. So first off, what you need to do guys, in order to NSFW enable, you need to first download this app. If you don't have, so go to the Play Store and App Store, first get this app, then open up, and right now you just to open like this. Then after that, what you need to do is, let's see, you just tap on the top left corner of the screen, two dots, and then after that tap on your profile picture. Once you tap on the profile picture, you will go your birth year and you will see the birth year. Make sure you are at 18 above. If you are under 18, so you don't get this option. After that, once you tap on the profile picture, then tap on again here, you will see your birth year. Right now, I'm above 18, so I can get the NSFW option. You will scroll a little bit down, you will find out the NSFW option here. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. Most of the cases, NSFW option is not showing there because of glitches and because of clear cache. If you don't see there this option, so first clear cache and clear data, after that you will get yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.